Do you enjoy eating pasta as much as I do but struggle to find a sauce that is slimming and equally as tasty? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a tomato and spinach base for your pasta to go in, and it's really super easy. This recipe is going to serve 2 people and you need 250 grams of any pasta. Cook that according to the packet instructions and drain it well. You need half an onion finely chopped. You need 3 garlic cloves which are crushed. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 tomatoes chopped up, 200 grams of passata with onion and garlic, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. You want to then bring that all to the boil. Add in a small bag of baby spinach leaves that have been roughly chopped up. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of capers that have been drained and rinsed. Then finally, season with salt and pepper. Mix together your cooked pasta in with your new fantastic sauce, and you have a delicious tomato and spinach pasta ready for lunchtime. And once you've done all of that, you're going to want to check out this video here, because what you can do with a cheese triangle is absolutely phenomenal.